All right, so we got the first pack here. All right, so who do we got? We got Drew Brees, Max Crosby, Devin White, Christian Kirk, Ian Thomas, Curtis Samuel. Let's flip it the other way. We got Kurt Warner, David Montgomery, old Zeke Elliott, Allen Lazard, Tyrann Mathieu, the Honey Badger. We got Deebo Samuel, Marquise Brown, he's no longer with the Ravens. DJ Moore, he's with the Bears now. Tua, DJ, Daniel Jones, Danny Dimes, Gronk in the house. We got Kyle Trask. Is he the next up, chat or followers? Comment below who's going to take the spot by the end of the year, him or Baker. Ronald Jones is second. Joe Tryon Shoyinka. Had a few bucks there. D.D. Westbrook, Landon Collins. Some older cards. Jimmy G. Steve Largent, the legend. Jamison Crowder. Chris Carson. Another Max Crosby. A duplicate. Landon Collins again. Oh, you guys didn't see anything there? You got Brian Burns. Who's this? Jarrell Robinson. Oh, Derek Carr back in Fresno State. Who do we got here? Shaq Thompson, sorry. Brandon Ayuk. Xavier Howard. Noah Fant. Devin White. Shaquille Barrett. Oh, Odell Beckham Jr. OBJ. Nick Chubb. TJ Watt in the house. And another Nick Chubb. Pretty solid pack. Pretty big pack. That was from a local store here. Let me know what you think. Comment below. Thanks. Peace.